Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering essentials: account number, debit card, and the registered mobile. Once done, connect to a secure Wi-Fi or mobile network so OTPs arrive promptly. Navigate to the UCO Net Banking portal and choose Login or New User Registration. You'll enter your customer ID and the debit card details when prompted, then request an OTP. Make sure you type the OTP within its validity window. This verifies you and moves you to the next setup step. You'll now set credentials and security to protect access. First, choose a username and a strong alphanumeric password. Avoid obvious words. Next, establish your transaction password or MPIN and pick security questions you can recall. These matter for recovery. Register the device by entering the OTP sent for device confirmation and give it a name like home phone. Once accepted, your device is trusted, and you can move on to personalized settings and link accounts for transactions. You're ready to use funds transfer, bill payments, and e-statements. Select the service, confirm beneficiaries, and authenticate transactions with your MPIN or OTP. Make sure to log out after each session and enable alerts for every transaction to monitor activity. If something fails, first clear your browser cache or app data, then request a fresh OTP and try again. If problems persist, contact UCO Net Banking support. Have your account details and error messages ready so they can.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.